Timbul lah?
Ya.
Timbul ini.
Saya nama merah itu saja.
Ya. Ini ada. Nah, namanya?
Saya merasakan.
Nggak boleh. Nggak boleh. Sebenarnya cuma menyusul, nanti lang mereka malu. Sebenarnya cuma balik nalur ya. Musuh kamu kelas 2, ini kelas 2. Kamu muncul nombor saud. Oh, nggak boleh. Baru kamu tunda boleh. Mana kamu? Di keluar. Nggak boleh di keluar. Orang tolong kan nambai. Kung nibuli ni tangan aku teman abi bakal nggak tak kira kira terus dulu nambai. Nggak kan keluar. Iya. Siap.
Kalau main kurang lebih 50.
Itu sampul Bainimarama.
Ay bakal mo mini drink kaya pag camera may bakal ko rin naman program.
Naka. Nggak boleh. Naka.
Good morning and Bulaminaka to you all. It's a pleasure to be here with you all to wrap up the first week of my tour of the West. It's been a great week seeing infrastructure, projects and services spread to the Western region. It's been such a productive, rewarding week that I decided this week to extend my tour and stay in the West for another week. Ladies and gentlemen, every Fijian has helped build our economy into what it has become. So every one of you has earned the development my government has undertaken. You deserve it, and our constitution demands it, because every Fijian is entitled to equal opportunity and equal attention from my government. When building a bright future for this region, there is no better investment we can make than invest in our children. Our Fijian students who are today in the classroom will one day be successful farmers, will one day be in the halls of parliament, arguing in the courtroom, will one day serve in our hospitals, and will one day will lead Fiji in business. They also will be parents making everyday decisions for their families and contributing members of the community. We need to make sure they are prepared for those responsibilities. When my government made education free for every Fijian family, we did so because it was the right thing to do, and also as a way to fulfill the right to education that is guaranteed by our constitution. We put forward great efforts and money to make that happen, because it was something worth sacrificing for. When every Fijian student has the opportunity to reach their full potential, all of Fiji benefits. Talented students make for a talented workforce. And a talented workforce gives a boost to our existing business and makes Fiji more attractive for new business from all over the world. Ladies and gentlemen, my government was not content just to make education free. We also have embarked on a campaign to improve and upgrade our schools. When children learn in a modern, clean environment, they feel appreciated and they feel important. That translates into productivity, that translates into greater interest in their studies. So that is why, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back here in Sorokoba at the Ratu Filimone Memorial School. In 2014, your school requested fencing to stop farm animals from getting on the school grounds and damaging property. Today, I am opening the newly constructed perimeter fence, a covered walkway, and an upgraded staff restroom facility, and a few other maintenance works to keep your school functioning safely and efficiently. In total, these improvements have cost $65,000, a worthy investment in 189 students and your teaching staff. The new fencing will keep your school grounds safe and give your students a stronger sense of security as they play and go about their studies. The Ratu Filimone School can also plant and grow their own vegetables, a sustainable and nutritious advantage for your students. The new walkway will also keep you dry on rainy days and allow buses to drop students off right inside the school compound instead of out at the main road. These conveniences will make a big difference for your students. It's one less thing they'll have to worry about, and want our students focus solely on their studies. And as I said yesterday, it is a shame that some civil servants in the Ministry of Education failed to ensure that our children receive their textbooks from day one of the new term in the new year. This is a serious matter. First, it not only deprives children of the books they need, but it infringes on their constitutional right. Second, it undermines the people's faith in the institution that is charged with guaranteeing that right. And that is why we have launched an investigation into the matter. We want to make sure that this kind of inexcusable failure or anything similar never happens again. I'm happy to announce that we have made special arrangements, and therefore all textbooks should be ready for distribution at the latest within 4 weeks. When our children grow up, they should enjoy a Fiji that is strong, prosperous, and proud. We are making that happen every day through our economic policies, our infrastructure development, and our search for a new national flag. We are looking for a flag that stands for what we truly are as Fijians. I have mentioned that we have extended the deadline for design submissions until 29th of February. In March, we will announce 5 final designs and then choose a final flag through national consultations. On Constitution Day, which is 7th September, Fiji will fly our new national flag and say to the world that this is Fiji. I hope you will all make your voices heard in the upcoming months and contribute to this important national effort. In the meantime, study hard. I hope your children will study hard, focus on your studies, and be the best students and teachers that you can be.